Hey guys, it's Joanna here. I love back day. I love to train my back and I love how strong, lean and toned they look. So I'm going to share with you my favorite back exercises when I do strength training in the gym. Let's start lifting. We're going to work on the entire back muscles. Your lats, mid back, upper back and also lower back. Start by performing each of the exercises for 15 to 20 repetitions and aim for 2 to 3 sets with a 30 to 60 seconds rest in between. I love the cable machines, so let's start with that. First workout will be lat pull down. This machine works on your lats, or I like to call it your wings. Hold the bar in a wide grip, chest upwards, back slightly arched and feet firmly on the ground. As you exhale, pull the bar down towards your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades together for 1 count and feel the contraction on your lats. Inhale and slowly release the bar back to starting position. Arms fully extended and your lats are fully stretched. And repeat. Avoid swinging your body back and forth. The upper torso should remain stationary and the movement should only come from your forearms. Next workout, seated cable row. This workout focuses more on the mid-back muscles. Sit and place your feet firmly on the front platform, keeping your knees soft and slightly bent. Hold the handles firmly and keep your upper body in a neutral position and your elbows slightly bent. As you exhale, pull the handles towards your torso and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Your back should be slightly arched and your chest should be sticking out. Keep your elbows pointed back and close to your body. Do not spread your elbows out to the sides. Squeeze your mid-back muscles and hold the contraction for 1 count and slowly release back to the starting position. And repeat. Again, avoid moving your entire body. The movement should be coming from your arms. Straight arm pull downs. This is another really effective workout to hit the lats. Grab the bar with your palms facing down and step backwards about 2 feet. Keeping your chest up and open, bend your torso forward at the waist by about 30 degrees. With your arms fully extended in front of you with a slight bend at the elbows. While still keeping the arms straight, pull the bar down by contracting the lat muscles until your hands are close to your thighs. Still keeping your arms straight, slowly release to the starting position and repeat. You should feel the burn on your lats and also your core to keep you balanced. Now let's move over and work with the dumbbells and also barbells. Let's start with deadlift. This is an extremely important workout to add into your routine to build strength and stability for the entire body. For this workout, you can go heavier. I would say between 15 to 30 kilos. Start standing with your feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Grab the bar with your palms facing down, about shoulder width apart. Keep your upper body in a neutral position, back flat and chest open. Then slowly lower the barbell as far as you can towards the floor by bending at your hip joint, not your waist. The bar should always remain close to your thighs. Hold the pose at the bottom for a second and squeeze your glutes and your lower back to pull yourself back up to the starting position. You should feel your muscles working on your hamstrings, glutes, core, lower back and also your shoulders. Basically your entire body working together as a unit. The next workout is bent over barbell row. This targets primarily your mid-back. So go slightly lighter, between 10 to 20 kilos. Similar to the exercise before, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Hold the bar with palms facing down. Keep your upper body in a neutral position, back flat and chest open. Bend forward until your torso is roughly parallel to the floor. Pull the barbell to your waist, keeping the elbows close to your body and pointed back. Do not spread your elbows out to the sides. Squeeze the mid-back muscles for 1 count and slowly return to starting position. Avoid hunching or using momentum to lift the weights. Again, the movement should only be coming from your forearms. Single arm dumbbell row. To avoid muscle imbalance, it is a good idea to focus and work on one side at a time. This workout also focuses on the mid-back. We want to use a bench for this, so let's start with the right side. Bend at the hips and place your left leg and left palm on the bench to support yourself. Plant your right foot firmly on the floor beside the bench. Hold one dumbbell in your right hand, letting it hang straight down. This is your starting position. Pull the dumbbell straight up to the side of your chest. Keep your arm close to your side, elbow pointed back and your torso stationary. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and feel the burn on your right mid-back. Lower the dumbbell down in a slow and controlled manner, and repeat. Once you've completed all the reps, then switch sides. I like to end my back workout by working on smaller muscles. So reverse fly works on the upper back and also shoulders. Because it is a smaller muscle group, go for lighter weights between 2 to 3 kilos each. Bend forward at your hips until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Hold the dumbbells firmly at about shoulder level, palms facing each other and elbows slightly bent. Then raise your arms straight out to your sides, in line with your body. Squeeze your upper back and shoulders for 2 counts. Slowly lower your arms back to starting position. Always keep your back flat and chest open. Your upper body should remain as still as possible, with movements only coming from your arms. And remember, avoid rounding your back or collapsing your chest. And avoid using momentum or swinging your entire body to lift the weights. So these are my favorite back exercises when I hit the gym. What are your favorite back exercises? Let me know in the comments below. You might find yourself struggling to begin with, but that's okay. Keep track of your workout and slowly progress by increasing the weight, reducing the rest time, or increasing each exercise to 4 sets. Challenge yourself and always give it your best shot. Do these exercises at least twice weekly. And don't forget to also work on your total body. Remember that proper form is extremely important, so always check that you're performing the exercise in the correct manner. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a lot more workout videos, fitness tips, and also recipes on my channel. All the best!